So, get the ice out. And I got to get this broken PVC out. That's a 1 inch. I got a 1 inch paddle bit for wood. So I'm gonna drive this in there, try to center it, but I'm just gonna obviously find a good way to tack this in somewhere into that PVC. There we go. Take a pair of pliers, needle nose here. Slowly but surely. Nice even pressure. I want to and here it comes. They probably make some expensive tool to do this, but I like doing stuff with whatever I have on hand. My daddy taught me to not to say I can't do it. He taught me to say, how could I make this work? In the Army, they used to call me MacGyver or Inspector Gadget. So I could usually do a field expedient. And there we go.